There is something called the Ask and Answer platform on Meditation. Do you use that? Have you been there?
Yes, I have. And the thing, see, no matter what the question is, from which school it has come, I type it on Google and I just put meditation as a keyword there, and every answer. And this is such a good thing, like every answer, no matter who has asked, from which state, from which DPS, from where, it is answered right there. And the best thing about it, you get options, like there are experts, there are normal students who answer. So that's where you can actually compare both of them, and that's where you can write in. But that ask and answer thing is very nice. Like every topic, every subject has that ask and answer thing. It really helps.
So typically in a week, how many times would you log in, and in a day, how long would you?
Every day. It was like every day I used to log in, mostly for my NCERT solutions. The study material thing, the browsing through study material, it mainly came before exams. Usse pehle I didn't really find the need of studying, because the question and answers and assignments were so many that I used to get fumbled up and then. But then before exams I got to study. So in 9th, just before 1 month before exams, all my chapters were getting completed. The yellow bar which tells you how much have you gone, like hooray, and just cruising along. So that's where I got to know ki just before exams I used to open that study thing.
So is it fun, those things that you get that feedback in the side?
There are a few things. For number one, those badges, I love them. And
how many have you got?
I don't know, I just keep on getting, and those points which you give, 40 points for revision and 20 points for this. And the best thing is, no matter, like, even if I'm studying at like 4 a.m. in my room, she get that mail in a thing that your daughter, she took so many marks and she got that bronze medal. And I used to be like, yes, kuch to, at least someone's telling her. Even if my marks don't come, at least she'll have a note ki nahi, 4 a.m. tak she was studying. So
you like that?
I loved it. Like, even if I don't get marks, do proof hai ki I studied. They boost up your morale. Like, I don't have my mom 24/7 beside me when I have the laptop on, but that thing, it actually gives you a pump up. You're doing something. Like, she won't be there to pat my back, shabash, you did this, but that, it helps.
And how do you think meditation fits into this? Does it make your life easier now that you have meditation?
It does. I don't have to browse through books to find answers. The revision notes, if you go through them, you're done with the chapter. Yeah, like now I'm actually spare. Like, it's just the beginning of the session. There's not much pressure. I'd love to send you guys a bit inputs about the notes. And this is what I love about meditation. They let you improvise. They let us also be a part. They actually let us wholly be a part or a member of your family. Like, they let us input our things into your thing. I love it.